When it comes to combining the thrill of mountain biking with the convenience of modern technology, the Troxus T-XC E-Bike delivers in spades. Recently, I took this impressive e-bike on a test ride along the Scenic Amadahy Trail near Carter's Lake in North Georgia. The Troxus T-XC E-Bike boasts a powerful 500-watt Bafang mid-drive motor, a 15-amp Samsung battery, and Shimano smooth 15-speed drivetrain. With up to 60 miles of range and intuitive pedal assistance, it's a bike designed to conquer trails and provide a seamless riding experience. The bike also features hydraulic disc brakes, a dropper post, and Kinda mountain bike booster tires, making it a versatile choice for a variety of terrains. The Amadahy Trail is a picturesque loop around a portion of Carter's Lake, offering a mix of single-track paths and scenic views that make it a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Starting at the well-maintained trailhead, the journey begins with clear signage directing riders clockwise around the loop. As I prepared for the ride, I couldn't help but appreciate the thoughtful design of the trailhead area, complete with parking and a recently added latrine for convenience. Before setting off, I adjusted the Troxus T-XC settings. With the bike's impressive 720 watt-hour battery promising up to 60 miles of range, I feel confident that I can explore the entire trail without worrying about running out of power. The initial stretch of the trail descends gently, allowing riders to ease into the journey. The smooth flow of the trail becomes immediately evident with the bike's fat tires gripping the terrain effortlessly. As I navigate the narrow single track, I notice the quiet efficiency of the Troxus T-XC's motor. Its seamless integration with the Shimano 11-speed drivetrain makes transitions between gears almost imperceptible, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. Riding through the shaded canopy of trees, I marvel at the serenity of the surroundings. The trail's design makes it accessible to riders of varying skill levels, with enough features to keep things interesting without being overly challenging. The gradual downhill sections allow me to pick up speed while maintaining control thanks to the bike's hydraulic disc brakes. These brakes, with their 4 piston calipers in the front and 2 piston calipers in the rear, provide reliable stopping power even on loose gravel. As the trail meanders closer to Carter's Lake, the views become breathtaking. The shimmering waters of the lake appear through the gaps in the trees, offering a glimpse of the natural beauty that makes the trail so special. The combination of the Troxus T-XC's capabilities and the trail's well-maintained design makes for a seamless and enjoyable start to the ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to mountain biking, this trail offers an excellent introduction to the beauty and excitement of North Georgia and its outdoor landscape. The downhill sections of the Amadahy Trail are where the Troxus T-XC truly shines. As you descend, the bike's Kinda fat tires provide excellent grip, ensuring that even on loose dirt and root-covered trails, you feel secure. The 29-inch wheels roll smoothly over obstacles, maintaining momentum without sacrificing control. This is particularly important on a trail like Amadahy, where sudden turns and changes in terrain keep riders on their toes. One of the most impressive aspects of the T-XC during these sections is the performance of its Bafang 500-watt mid-drive motor. Unlike hub motors, mid-drive systems offer a more balanced ride by placing the weight centrally and delivering power directly to the drivetrain. This means that as I navigate tight corners or hit small drops, the bike's motor provides steady, intuitive assistance. The pedal assist feature engages seamlessly, kicking in just enough to maintain speed without making the ride feel unnatural. The T-XC's Suntour XCM34 boost fork plays a vital role in absorbing bumps and jolts that come with downhill trails. With 120 millimeters of travel, the fork handles everything from minor ruts to more significant dips with ease. This level of suspension not only improves comfort, but also keeps the bike stable, allowing me to focus on enjoying the ride rather than worrying about losing control. The bike's dropper post is another feature that stands out during the downhill segments. Lowering the seat at the push of a button allows me to shift my weight and adopt a more aggressive riding position. This is especially useful on technical sections where a lower center of gravity makes a significant difference in maintaining control. The downhill portions of the Amadahy Trail also offer opportunities to test the bike's agility. Thanks to its lightweight 6061 aluminum frame and well-designed geometry, the T-XC feels responsive and nimble, whether weaving through tight switchbacks or taking on flowing curves. The bike handles with precision. The Shimano CU-ES 11-speed drivetrain ensures I can easily find the right gear to match the terrain, further enhancing the ride experience. Perhaps the most enjoyable aspect of these downhill sections is the sheer fun of all of it. The combination of speed, control, and stunning natural surroundings creates a truly exhilarating experience. The Troxus T-XC enhances this experience by reducing much of the physical strain, allowing me to focus on the thrill of the descent and the beauty of the trail. The uphill challenges of the Amadahy Trail test both rider endurance and the bike's performance, and the Troxus T-XC handles these climbs with ease. As the trail transitions from flowing downhill sections and scenic lakeside paths, the climbs gradually increase in intensity. These segments allow the e-bike's mid-drive motor and thoughtful design to truly shine. The Troxus T-XC's 500-watt Bafang mid-drive motor provides a remarkable 130 Newton-meters of peak torque, making even the steepest inclines manageable. This motor directly powers the drivetrain, creating a natural pedaling experience. Switchbacks dominate the uphill sections, requiring precision and control. The lightweight 6061 aluminum frame and the responsive geometry of the T-XC allows me to navigate these tight turns without much effort. The bike's fat tires grip the dirt securely, preventing slippage even on steeper inclines. This reliable control builds confidence as I tackle each turn with focus. As I ascend higher, the landscape begins to shift, offering new perspectives on the surrounding forest and occasional obstructed views of Carter's Lake below. The Troxus T-XC's battery still has ample charge, showcasing its impressive range and efficiency. The consistent support from the motor allows me to finish the climb feeling strong and accomplished rather than drained. The Troxus T-XC's balance and handling capabilities are among the most defining features, allowing it to confidently navigate the varied terrain of the Amadahy Trail. The 29-inch Kinda booster tires contribute to the bike's outstanding handling. Their larger diameter and knobby tread pattern provide excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. From loose gravel to packed dirt, these tires ensure that the bike remains planted and stable, even during aggressive cornering and quick maneuvers. Their performance inspires confidence, making it easy to tackle challenging trail features without hesitation. The Troxus T-XC E-Bike proves itself as a top-tier choice for mountain biking enthusiasts. Key features that make it stand out include powerful mid-drive motor. The 500-watt Bafang motor delivers smooth and responsive power, making steep climbs and technical sections more accessible. Long battery life. With up to 60 miles of range, the 720 watt-hour Samsung battery ensures extended rides without worry. Superior braking. The Tektro hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent and precise stopping power for enhanced safety. Comfortable suspension. The Suntour fork and dropper posts work together to provide a smooth and adaptable ride. Trail-ready design. Every component, from the lightweight frame to the fat tires, is designed to handle rugged terrain with ease. The Amadahy Trail remains a gem in North Georgia's mountain biking scene. With its blend of flowing single-track, scenic lake views, and manageable climbs, it offers something for riders of all skill levels. The addition of amenities like a latrine at the trailhead and nearby picnic areas further enhances its appeal. Supporting local trail maintenance efforts such as donating to the LJ Mountain Bike Association or paying the day use fee helps ensure that trails like Amadahy remain in excellent condition for further riders. The Troxus T-XC E-Bike proves to be a reliable and capable companion on the Amadahy Trail. Its combination of power, comfort, and versatility makes every aspect of the ride enjoyable. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to e-biking, this bike offers a seamless and thrilling experience on the trail. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this recap, feel free to share it with fellow bike enthusiasts. Let me know if there's another trail or bike you'd like me to review. Until next time, happy riding.